What is your name?
My name is Greta.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
What do you do for work?
I am a teacher.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have two brothers.
How old are you?
I am 25.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
Can you help me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
How much money do you have?
I have $1,000.
What do you need?
I need money.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What's your favorite food?
I like sushi.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not.
How are you?
I am fine. Thanks.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am exhausted.
Do you like animals?
No, I don't like animals.
Would you like tea?
No, thanks.
How is she?
She's fine.
How do you relax?
I watch web series.